Hello everyone. Are you wondering what vibe check means? Let's explore. Vibe check is a phrase used to assess the mood or energy of a person or situation. It's about gauging whether someone's behavior, attitude, or environment matches the expected or desired feeling. When someone says, vibe check, they are essentially asking if everything feels right, if the atmosphere is positive, or if someone is acting appropriately in a given context. The term has gained popularity on social media, where it's often used humorously or casually to call out when something feels off or to affirm that everything is cool. Vibe checks can be spontaneous, reflecting the intuitive way people sense the emotional tone around them. In essence, a vibe check is a quick way to ensure that the energy or mood is in sync with what's expected or needed. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.